In nature, three elements shape our world: fire, earth, and water. Each powerful on its own, but when combined, they create the foundation of life. At Element 3, we harness these elements, blending them seamlessly into our culinary art. Our ingredients are sourced from across India, from farm-fresh paneer in the north to the vibrant produce of local farms. From preparation to cooking to serving, our process is an art, refined to perfection. Each dish is crafted with care, free from additives, and served in beautiful, locally made pottery. Our food is designed to be light, nourishing, and full of flavor. We feed more than just your appetite. We nourish your mind, body, and soul. With food that aligns with your values, whether you seek the lightness of veganism, the richness of farm-fresh vegetables, or the purity of Sattvic certified ingredients, our food brings clarity to your mind, strength to your body, and peace to your soul. Whether it's a dining experience, corporate catering, or hosting an unforgettable event, Element 3 delivers excellence in every aspect with a commitment to purity, sustainability, and the well-being of your guests. Harness the power of 3. Choose Element 3.